Welcome to another Laneway tour video. I get super excited when I make these because laneways are still very rare and they're very new, and each one is so different. Today we're going to be touring one made by 2x2 Construction right here. If you like what you see, I have their contact details in the description, so please get in touch with them. I've been tracking this project for a few months now, and 2x2 Construction have been amazing with their attention to detail. It's like they're building their own home. This is a very comfortable 1,200 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. We'll enter through the main entrance now, and we'll skip ahead to the first impression when you get in because it's beautiful. How nice does this space feel? This is the view that greets you every time you come home through that main door. This window and sliding door is almost the entire width of the laneway. This glass sliding door is probably the feature of the home that I love the most. It's about $10,000 to purchase and install. And luckily, I was here when Kyle from 2x2 Construction was installing it. So shortly after, he was able to tell us a lot more about these doors.
Over here is probably one of my favorite parts of this build are these 15-foot wide by 8-foot tall sliding glass doors. So once these are open, you can get quite a nice breeze in here, and it also provides a ton of sunlight.
I love how modern this kitchen is with the quartz countertop and the nice veining. There's enough of an overhang over here for a breakfast bar. The kitchen has a lot of sharp lines like the flat stock baseboard and the flat stock casing around the doors and windows. That's all very consistent here as well in the kitchen. Beautiful undermount lighting as well. So in a rush to show you the sliding door and how the first impression felt, we skipped over some of the main features of the home. For example, the mechanical room and the laundry room. We have a stacked washer dryer in here with the furnace and HRV and tankless hot water. We also have the powder room. Special note, these floors are heated and it feels amazing on my feet right now. I get asked all the time, how much does it cost to build one?
So that can vary. Just like a car, how much does a car cost? It can vary. You have your base models and your premium models. So this is closer to the base model at around 300 bucks a square foot, and this house is 1,200 square feet. Moving to the $400 a square foot is when you get more of the premium finishes involved. For example, having brick for the entire back facade and the front facade adds quite a bit of cost to it, as brick is one of the most expensive types of exterior siding to put on a home.
Let's move upstairs. I mentioned earlier this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Let's go see it now. Once you get up to the second floor, you notice how bright it is because of all the skylights. For example, this bedroom here has 2 skylights, and under this plane They built these custom closets so that you can fit your clothes in and make the most of the space, actually. Second bedroom has a stunning window. Kyle from 2x2 Construction told me this was about a $2,000 window installed. This is the first of the 2 full baths I was mentioning. Beautiful 12 by 24 inch tiles. I really like the matte black finishes everywhere. And this is the primary bedroom. What I didn't mention in the other rooms, but is consistent as well, is all these outlets where the nightstand should be have USB outlets to save you on your plugs. This is the only bedroom with the 4-piece ensuite. And I was told the owner chose all his own finishings, and I think it turned out beautifully. Again, this is only 1,200 square feet, but it feels much bigger. With furniture to give it scale, it would have been more obvious, but I've seen thousands of homes, and I know this is comfortable. This is what great design and execution can accomplish. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to stay notified of my next video.